everyone, I'm Veronica, and in today's video I will show you 4 tips on how to make an aesthetic video and show you how to implement them using Filmstock and Filmora. Tip 1. Choose the right music. Sound is so important with how your audience perceives your video. So it's important that what your viewers hear matches what they see. For vlogs, maybe look for lo-fi music to create a happy and chill vibe. Tip number 2. Use video filters. I see so many people not taking advantage of this feature. Filters can help to set the mood as well as unify the footage. Tip number 3. Experiment with framing your videos. Don't feel pressure to keep your footage fitted to the frame all the time. You can use a frame within a frame technique like this to really make your videos stand out. Tip number 4. Add animated effects like elements and transitions. This makes your videos more pleasing to the eye and improves your production value. Now let's jump onto the Filmstock website and into the Filmora video editor so I can show you how to put together a video like this one. So to create my aesthetic video, I'm going to use the film texture overlay pack, the TV overlay pack, and the collage paper stickers. You'll find the links for all of these packs in the description below. So now let's jump into the Wondershare Filmora video editor, where you can see I already have my aesthetic video put together on the timeline. So I'm just going to mute the music so that it doesn't get in the way, and we'll create a new version of this on the right side. So what I like to do first is choose the music for my video. So let's go into the audio tab, and you will find that Wondershare Filmora editor has a wide selection of songs that you can choose from. So you can go through each section and see what matches the mood of your video the best. And if you want to hear any of the songs, you simply have to double click on the thumbnails and you'll get a playback. So you can hear what they're like. So once you're happy with your choice, for example in this video I'm using Ryan Jones Japanica, you can click and drag it onto your timeline. Next, go back into your media tab and drag in your footage. Now let's right click on the selected clips and select detach audio to get rid of the original sounds. And then you can simply select them and press delete on your keyboard to get rid of them. The next step is to go through your footage and make a selection. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you're happy with your selection, you can start experimenting with moving the clips around. And don't forget to also try out the frame within a frame technique, as that can give you some really cool results. This is a super simple technique, so all you have to do is have one clip on the timeline, and then you simply click and drag another one on top of it, then double click on it, and in the transform tab simply scale it down so that the clip underneath acts as a moving frame. Now let's add a filter overlay to unify the footage. So let's go into the effects tab and scroll down into the TV overlay, where you will find all sorts of effects that you would get on old TVs. So in this video I'm using TV overlay number 13. So you simply have to click and drag it onto the timeline. So you'll notice that the overlay is a little bit strong right now. So to fix that, you simply have to double click on it and then use the alpha slider to reduce the opacity. So in my video I have it set to around 20, which gives you just a little bit of that TV effect. You can also experiment with other effects, like the ones you find in the film texture overlays. So these give you like the sort of film burn effect you'd get on old films. And you can see that I've used them a few times in my video. So you would use these the same way as the TV overlays, where you simply click and drag the overlays onto your video, double click and then reduce the strength. Also, don't forget to add transitions in between the clips, as that can make a video so much more visually appealing. I'm just using a simple zoom in this video to go from a wide angle clip into a close-up. So let's do this right here. So we've got a wide angle clip and our close-up. And all that you have to do is go into the transitions tab and then click and drag the transition between the clips. And you can also drag the sides out or in to change the length of the transition. So in this video, I'm using a simple zoom transition just because I thought it goes quite well with the frames that we had before. And lastly, don't forget to add titles to your videos as well. So let's jump into the titles tab, scroll down and go into the collage paper stickers pack. Now from here you can preview the stickers by double clicking on them so you can see the animations. And once you're happy with your choice, you can click and drag the stickers onto the timeline and click and drag the side to adjust the length. Now to customize the text, you can double click on the title in the timeline and simply change the text right here. So for example, let's change it to 2021. And you can use the title group controller to scale down the title and also to move around the frame and rotate it as well. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful and that it gave you some ideas on how to create your own aesthetic videos. If you're interested in any of the packs mentioned in this video, they will be linked in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Filmstock channel so that you never miss any of our future uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.